If your Chevy Equinox backup camera is emitting a strange buzzing or grinding noise, you are not alone. Data suggests that 3 out of 4 cases are linked to the internal motor mechanism rather than software. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to isolate the sound. Start by clearing any debris and listening to verify if the noise occurs only during camera movement. These are the 3 most likely culprits causing that audible grinding or buzzing sensation. If the camera itself tests fine, inspect the surrounding tailgate latch and wiring conduit for interference. You can often handle loose trim yourself, but internal motor failure usually requires a professional replacement. Expect to pay significantly more at a shop due to the labor required to remove interior tailgate panels. If you are comfortable with tools, disconnect the battery and use a multimeter to check for stable power. Keep these tools handy to safely access the camera housing without damaging your interior panels. A quick tip: plastic clips become brittle, so take your time during the disassembly process. If the problem persists, consult your local shop to avoid permanent damage to your camera system.